The Euronext Lisbon Stock Exchange is located in Lisbon, Portugal. It is a member of Euronext, a pan-European stock exchange. It was founded in 1769. There are 56 listings on the exchange, and they are denominated in euros. Equities, public and private shares, participation bonds, warrants, corporate warrants, investment trust units, and exchange-traded funds are all traded on the Euronext Lisbon. Both listed shares on the official market are included in the BVL General Index, which is the exchange's official index. Long-term interest rate futures, 3-month Lisbor futures, stock index futures and options on the PSI-20 Stock Index, and Portuguese stock futures are among the derivatives available. The economy of Portugal is ranked 34th in the World Economic Forum's Global Competitiveness Report for 2019. The European Union, EU, whose countries earned 72.8% of Portuguese exports and were the source of 76.5% of Portuguese imports in 2015, accounts for the vast majority of foreign trade. Since the third quarter of 2014, the Portuguese economy has been steadily growing, with annual GDP growth of 1.5% reported in the second quarter of 2015. The economy's expansion has been followed by a steady decline in unemployment, 6.3% in the first quarter of 2019, compared with 13.9% registered in the end of 2014. In addition, the government's budget deficit has decreased from 11.2% of GDP in 2010 to 0.5% in 2018. Portugal is home to a number of notable leading companies with worldwide reputations, such as the Navigator Company, a major world player in the international paper market, Sonai Industria, the largest producer of wood-based panels in the world, Amarim, the world leader in cork production, Conservas Ramirez, the oldest canned food producer, Kimpor, one of the world's 10th largest producers of cement, EDP Renovables, the third largest producer of wind energy in the world, Jerónimo Martins, consumer products manufacturer and retail market leader in Portugal, Poland and Colombia, TAP Air Portugal, highly regarded for its safety record and one of the leading airlines linking Europe with Africa and Latin America, namely Brazil. The tertiary sector is currently the most important component of the Portuguese economy, accounting for 75.8% of the gross value added (GVA) and employing 68.1% of the labour force. It is followed by the industry sector, which accounts for 21.9% of GVA and provides 24.5% of jobs. Machinery, electrical and electronics industries, automotive and shipbuilding industries, injection moulding, plastics and ceramics industries, textile, footwear and leather industries, oil refinery, petrochemistry and cement industries, beverages and food industries, and furniture, pulp and paper, wood and cork industries are currently the major industries in Portugal. Some large Portuguese service companies, such as retailer Jerónimo Martins, which owns Poland's largest supermarket chain and is also investing in Colombia, have committed to internationalising their services. The largest Portuguese banks are Banco Comercial Português and the state-owned Caixa Geral de Depósitos. Portuguese banks have strategic stakes in other sectors of the economy, such as insurance. Foreign bank participation is moderate, as is state ownership via the Caixa Geral de Depósitos (CGD). Overall, Portugal's financial system is sound, well managed and competitive, with short-term risks and vulnerabilities well contained and a strong financial policy framework supporting the system. Despite its small size and concentration, Portugal's banking system compares favourably to that of other European Union countries in terms of efficiency, profitability and asset quality, with solvency close to European levels. The entire gain from the sale of a property, shares, securities or bonds in Portugal is taxable at a flat 28% rate for non-Portuguese residents. If you are an EU resident, you can elect to be taxed as a Portuguese resident at the scale income tax rates instead. However, you would need to declare your worldwide income in order to calculate the applicable tax rate on the gain, so this may not be the most tax-efficient approach. Information about Portuguese equities is widely available. To research Portuguese stocks, start by looking at the business section of the Statistics Portugal Office web portal, as well as the European Economic Sentiment Indicators published by the European Union. First, with more than 100 regions covered, you can learn more with the Exotic Markets book available on Amazon. Second, you can explore sector and industry intelligence for different countries by going to pervasives.com. If you have an issue in relation to accounting and tax with foreign stocks, you can contact us by going to our website.